So grit is actually something that all of us leaders need to understand. And I think that is the single most important characteristic that separates the extraordinary from the ordinary. And it also, grit also has a mindset component. I mean, yeah, true, but it has, you know, you go through the tough times, you emerge as a better person, you fight through it. But it is also a mindset of acceptance. It's not a mindset of avoidance. So we have to understand that failure will knock on our door, or adversity will knock on our door. I mean, that's something that I don't think anyone can escape it. It's just a matter of what you do when that happens. So, for my part, I would say acknowledge it, embrace it, and overcome it. And sometimes you will win, sometimes you'll lose. And the most important thing is to get back up, learn from your mistakes, and keep on going.